In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fog light bulb on your Subaru Baja. This is located in the front of the vehicle and in the bumper. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, on the driver's side, we have a small clip here. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop the center of the clip out, and then we can pull the clip out. We'll pull back the plastic shroud behind the fog light, and that gives us access to our bulb. On the back side of the connector here, we have a tab. You can press in on that tab. It can help to give the connector a little wiggle and push in on it while you push in on the tab to help release it. You always want to check your terminals for damage or corrosion. These look okay. Next, we'll take the bulb and turn it counterclockwise. And then we can remove the bulb. As you install any headlight or fog light bulbs, you want to make sure not to touch the glass, as that can cause damage to the bulb over the lifetime of the bulb. We'll go ahead and install this, lining up the 3 tabs. Then we're going to turn clockwise to lock the bulb in. Make sure that's locked in. Then we can plug in our electrical connector. Make sure that's fully seated and the clip locks down, won't pull back out. The process for this bulb is the same as the other side. And get the fender liner back up in place. Push in on the center of your clip and make sure that that's not going to pull back out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.